Hi guys, my name is Naachi and welcome to a new video. So today we are going to customize our own shoes. So let's go! So I got these really cool platform shoes. I bought them around, I would say 4-5 years ago. And I wore them like twice. I'm very tall already, so anything that has a heel on it makes me even taller, and these are very, very tall, so I only wore them once or twice. But because they are all white and I only wore them twice, I thought, okay, you know what? We could make something really cool with them. Let's just try to customize them. First thing I did is just take up the laces and also wash them a little bit down. Overall, I think they are in really good shape. You can see underneath the shoe that they are maybe a little bit dirty, but that's because I have literally been wearing them twice. But otherwise, they still look really, really good. I don't intend on using them in the future. I just really wanna make something cool out of them. So yeah, before doing anything, I kind of wanted to draw out some ideas I had for the shoes. I wanted to go obviously for something girly because it's shoes for females. If I ever should do like sneakers or something, I would maybe go with a little bit more of a neutral or cool theme. But for these shoes, I thought I should try to do something girly because it's heels. So I sketched out all the ideas I had. Mainly it was flowers, stars, everything that looks kind of sweet. Some bunnies because I love drawing bunnies, and just getting an overall idea what could look good on the shoe. After I'm done scribbling out everything, we can have a look into the beautiful materials I'm gonna work with. And this is actually sarcasm because I'm working with oil paint on shoes, and everyone who knows what oil paint is knows that this was a bad idea. It was an awful idea. Oh dear Lord, such a bad idea. We're gonna talk about it one more time in a second, but I'm also working with Posca pens. Posca pens are awesome. Love them so much. God bless your heart. Also gonna work a little bit with my color pencil. This was mainly just to draw out some sketches on the shoe itself. Also worked a little bit with liners, and I have different brushes and all the materials I need to work with on the shoes. Doing the first layer of paint on the shoe was such a nice experience. I had so much fun. I love this. I think the color looks really, really pretty. I wanted to go for like a coral tone, and I think it turned out really nice. I didn't want to go for, in the beginning I thought about going for like a pink or like a hot pink, but I thought it would maybe be a little bit too much. So instead I decided for like a coral orangey tone. It's more coral. And I think it looks really, really nice. So as I said, yeah, first layer of paint, good idea, very good idea. Second layer of paint, not so good idea anymore because my dumbass was too lazy to wait, or too impatient, not lazy. I was too impatient to wait for my acrylic colors to arrive. So what I have been using is oil paint. And for everyone who knows, oil paint and plastic is just a big no. It's a no-no. It just literally doesn't dry down. Like oil paint in general dries down very, very, very slowly. And doing that on a shoe that you need to touch from like multiple angles, try to get the color down everywhere, you're just gonna move the color around non-stop. Like I have been filming this video over like I think 2 or 3 weeks in total because I literally need to wait over 1 week in between every time of filming to just let the shoes dry a little bit because I had the colors everywhere on my hands. I had it on my keyboard, on my mouse, on my desk. It was everywhere. So if there's one thing I can tell everyone, don't try to use oil paint on fabrics. Don't try to use oil paint on anything but a canvas. It takes forever to dry down. It's such a mess. It gets everywhere. It's very hard to get off. I hate it. It was a bad idea. I bought acrylic paint now. So next time it's gonna be fine. I'm not gonna be that impatient anymore. Damn it. So after putting down the color, the base color of the platform, I also put some color on the fabric and the shoe itself. And I honestly like how the color is a little bit more dark compared to the color on the platform itself. To give the shoe a little bit of a contrast, I thought we're gonna go in with a blue color. I really like the dark blue. I think it's a good contrast to the coral. You can already see if you look at my fingers that I have like color everywhere on my hands. So again, please don't try to do anything with oil colors or oil paint on any kind of fabric. Especially if you want to use it in the future, I feel like you're gonna have such a hard time because it's just gonna slide right off. So now you can see me, guys, drawing the first couple of patterns onto the shoe. I wanted to go for some flowers because I actually thought they looked cute. I really liked the idea of making the flowers a little bit lighter. In the beginning, I wanted to give them a hard outline, but I think it looks a lot more soft and a lot more cute and fantasy-like. Just doing the flowers, lighter flowers without an outline. I think it looks really dreamy and cute. And overall, I think it's a simple design, but I like how it turned out at the end. I wish maybe I could have done something more with it, but I tend to overdo it sometimes. So going simple for this one, I think was a good call. Drawing the flowers onto the shoe was probably the most relaxing and fun part of this whole process. It's kind of sad that the only reason why it was not fun is literally because, yeah, it didn't dry down properly. But other than that, I really had fun doing this. I would love to do this in the future. Now I bought acrylic paint. If you want to see me do something like this again, I still have another pair of white shoes where we could try that on, or maybe try that on other things. Let me know. But this was actually a lot of fun, and overall I really like how it turned out. After finishing up the flowers, I tried to color in the laces, and the laces were white in the beginning, so I tried to make them a light sky blue or like a baby blue. I think the color works really well together with the other colors. But oh, it took so long to actually color that I just used a Posca pen because I didn't want to use oil paint again because I was so scared it's just gonna go everywhere. So I used a Posca pen, which worked really well, but it just took forever to do this. And then after I was done doing the lace in the baby blue, I also wanted to color the inside of the shoe in a baby blue. I wish I could have done this differently somehow, maybe just kept the white inside, but the thing is you kind of see it from all angles, so keeping the white inside, and it was like dirty because there was like stains from other colors already. I just thought, okay, let's just give it a whole cover and just put like a baby blue in there. As I said, I don't intend on wearing them anyway, so I think it's okay that I did this. They are just for decoration, and I'm just gonna put them down. Otherwise, I would probably say don't color your shoes on the inside if you intend to wear them, or make very sure that you know what colors you are using. But yeah, that is the whole shoe. I hope you guys like how it turned out. I hope you guys like what I did here. And if you want to see another video like this, let me know in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I hope you liked how these shoes turned out. If you want to see something like this in the future, maybe let me know in the comments. Maybe we can try to draw on clothes next time. I think that could be a lot of fun too. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Maybe check out my other social media sites and my artwork everywhere. And I see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.